Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Create Wealth, where we talk about Forex trading. How can we trade Forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? Guys, this video is not about any expert advisor, neither about any Forex expert advisor. This video is all about manual trading, and this is about one account that I'm about to show you. We are scalping gold on that particular account manually. So I'm offering copy trading from my own personal account, EXNS account, and I have been trading with multiple expert advisors for a long time and manually also at different point of time. Currently, I have been trading manually on three accounts and just created a fresh account few days ago, three weeks ago, in fact, to monitor my own performance, and same is being presented here to watch and review. So this is all about the people who kept me asking, like, if you provide any account management services or if you provide any copy trading services, because there are various people like who are looking to trade without hassles, without looking at chart themselves, and people like who are afraid to trade themselves manually or even with any expert advisors or bots. There are also people like who want to invest in Forex market or want to get benefit out of it without being directly involved. So these kind of people can ask for this copy trading services. Okay. So, but remember, Forex market is really risky, and any profit gained in present and in the past does not guarantee any kind of returns or profits in the future. So please do your due diligence before investing in the Forex market. So here you can see that there are two links. Okay, one is gold scalp trading, that is the manual trading overall, and second link is the overall portfolio about the various systems, expert advisors that I linked with my FX book. Okay, that you can explore as well. So let me go through both these links one by one. So this the second account is my portfolio, right? My portfolio on my FX book, where I linked various expert advisors that I have traded in the past or recently or even currently, whatever I am trading with, that has been included over here. Okay. So these are so many of these expert advisor I am trading right now. Many of these I have traded in the past. So you can check all of them. And in case if you have any interest or would like to inquire about or interested in to trade with any of these expert advisor, you can contact me via email or Telegram. Both contact details are in the video description. Okay. So, but here the first link is all about gold scalp trading intraday that I'm talking about. And here is this one. Okay, so this is the intraday, the pure manual one. Okay, we started it on 20th of August and traded till 6th of September. I'm recreating this video because my last video, what I created yesterday on Friday when the market was open, there was some issue in the voice. So some people asked me to recreate the video because they were not able to hear the voice. So I'm just recreating the video on Saturday. Today is Saturday. Okay. So based on this, the maximum drawdown that went is 6.55 in last 3 weeks. Monthly is around 67.66 and daily is around 2.91. Okay. So this is the statistics, and this is not something that this is the drawdown that happened, and this drawdown can increase also in the future. This is not something that I'm indicative that this is going to happen in the future as well. And in the time to time, I have made a withdrawal also time to time. Okay, so you can see that I deposited 900. Okay, and I already made a withdrawal of 476.17 in 3 weeks. This week we made 15.87, almost 16%. This year we made 67.66. Okay, and here is the statistics actually. This link will be provided you in the video description also, so you can just check it out yourself. Okay, and this is from EXNS, my personal account, and this is, if you see, this is there. This is the net profit that we generated so far. This is the trading volume, equity, or net profit, whatever. Okay, and in since this is from last 30 days, this is what you can see. Okay, this is the graph as you can see over here. So guys, I'm not showing you the profitability. I'm just showing you my account because like if you want to copy my trade, then you should be able to understand that that yes, there is some profitability. That is the reason like you will come to me. But let's go to the topic. Okay. But remember, Forex market is really risky and any kind of profit gained in the present or in the past does not guarantee any kind of similar returns or any kind of profits in the future. We may encounter some losses as well. So please do your due diligence and assess your risk, right? And whether your appetite of risk, just assess your risk appetite before investing in Forex market. Because with this video, I am not endorsing or suggesting you to trade Forex market unless your risk appetite is good to bear the loss also that can happen in the Forex market. In case if you're interested to know more, then there are some guidelines or terms and conditions or rules, whatever you can say. Okay, I would like to guide you on this. So every day is not a winning day, and sometimes we may lose too, or sometimes we may hit our stop loss as well. Generally, we do not use stop loss, but yes, when the market is ranging in a very high range, then probably we will use stop loss as well. Again, I would like to reiterate, profit is not guaranteed, but we will try out our best to lower the risk as much as we can. But we request you to please do not open or close any trade yourself manually in case if you opt for the service. And please make sure your VPS is running smoothly when you connect your account with my account, because there must be a medium to connect your account to my account, and that is the VPS. You should have a VPS and that should be running smoothly. The strategy and the entry is in my hand, but Forex market is not in my hand. Neither I drive Forex market. I do not drive Forex market. So even if the trades are good, if the trades are right, then also sometimes it happens that the market goes in opposite direction. When the trades are wrong, then obviously the market will go in opposite direction sometimes. But even when the trades are right, the market may go to eat the SL sometimes. There are many situations, there are many factors involved, fundamentals and technicals, and also overall there are so many things going on around the world. Okay? So my request is to not to bombard me with so many messages if the drawdown goes up to 25%. Okay, so far the drawdown has been 6.6% almost. Okay, and we will try our best to not to exceed, because our motive is to make profit. Our motive is not to maximize the drawdown, right? So if the drawdown is going up, it means we are also worried about it. So please do not bombard us with the messages if the drawdown goes up to 25%, because this is something that should be very rare, but still that can happen because we don't underestimate the Forex market. The situation may not arise or may not be there, but still I'm just giving you a heads up. So if you are just looking for pure profit and do not want to understand how the Forex market works, and you do not understand how the Forex market works and how and what are the risks involved, how much ups and downs could be there, right? Then this opportunity is not for you, because this is not a quick rich scheme to make you quick rich. So still, if you decide to trade with me, make sure you deposit equal amount of money or in multiples. So there is no confusion about the trade lots. So in this case, as I mentioned that we started with 900 USD. So I suggest you to carry equal amount of equity, or maybe like a little here and there is fine. So instead of 900, you can use 1000 or 1100 as well. Okay. But it is something like 900. When 900 is required, I would not suggest you to keep 1500, because that might create a confusion in the lot size. Okay. Otherwise 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, everything is fine, or 900, 1800, 2700, 3600, 4500. If I'm using 0.01 here, 0.05 will be copied here. Okay. If I'm using 0.02 here, then the same amount will be there. The same lot size in the multiples would be there. Okay. So do not use any kind of malpractice to multiply your account with your single account. In case if you're opting for a copy trading account, and if you're using multiple accounts to do that, then please do not do that, because I can ask for the VPS ID and password and your account ID and password anytime, And if detected, we will stop copying the trades in between whatever the trades are going on, right? Even if they are in losses, we will not be held responsible, and we will immediately close your account and disconnect your account. We are just charging a nominal fees for our efforts to make it work. If your profit expectation is more than 15%, then also this opportunity is not for you. Even we made 67% in a month, and we can even achieve more than that, but nothing is guaranteed. Please try to understand. Nothing is guaranteed, and it depends on market movement and opportunity that we see right to execute the trade. Whenever we see the right opportunity to execute the trade, we will execute the trade. So in this case, we made over 65%. I'm sorry, it's 65% in less than a month. But this will not be the case always, right? So every time we would not be able to make this kind of profit, or sometimes we make higher, sometimes we made low, sometimes even we made like we will be able to make like around 10% or maybe 5%, and sometimes we might be able to make 60%, 70%, 80%, 90% also, right? So in a nutshell, nothing is guaranteed, but we will try to maximize the profit and lower the risk. Gold, that is XAU USD, is the main financial instrument that we will focus on. But if sometime any other opportunity arises that is good to grab, then probably we will use or maybe trade in that particular instrument or currency pair as well. We will use minimal lot size, so even if the trades goes opposite, we'll still have chances to manage. And sometimes if some very good opportunity arises, we may use higher lot size too. Okay, let me show you the account history also, and just see it over here. Okay, so we started with this on 20th of August, right? And you can see that we have taken the withdrawal time to time, and you can also focus on the lot size as well. Right? You can see the withdrawal, and you can focus on the lot size as well. Okay, so this is, as you have seen, the maximum lot size I have used is 0.03, and normally I have used 0.01 most of the time, right? Okay, so mostly we will use 0.01 and 0.02, and in special conditions, if required, we may use 0.03 or 0.05 lot size as well if needed. Our focus is to close all the trades on the same day, intraday, and in few cases may carry for the next day if needed in certain conditions. Our daily focus will be on trades and not profits. Profit will come automatically if trades executed in the right manner. However, in scalping, sometimes it happens that the market goes opposite because the time frame is too small. However, we use multi time frame analysis, but still, if we are scalping, then movement could be a little faster, right? And the range would be a little. The movement would be a little faster. So, and the profit, whatever profit you see in my account or my FX books realized, does not reflect any potential profits in future. I'm repeating this thing again and again. There is no guarantee about future. Okay, whatever I'm showing you is what that I have been doing in the past, and also what I'm doing right now. I've been trading manually on multiple accounts in the past, right? But since some are very old, some are some I jump in between. Sometimes I trade, sometimes I don't trade on those accounts. So I created this particular account as a fresh account, so I can monitor my performance also. And also, this is just to show you for the people who would like to copy the trades in case if they are interested. So our target will be just 3 to 5% a week, and monthly target is 15 to 20%. This is our target. This will be our effort to achieve. This is not guaranteed. I'm saying this once again. Okay. So if we achieve anything above that, that is a bonus. So again, neither we guarantee any kind of returns or profits, and nor we endorse or recommend people to invest or trade in Forex market. By looking at profit, by looking at my FX book, by looking at my account history, we do not endorse or recommend people to invest or trade in Forex market. If you cannot bear risk and doesn't understand the ins and outs of Forex market, the risk management, then probably this is not the right opportunity for you. And also, if you make profit, you should withdraw your profit each and every day in your wallet or in any other account except the account that you are using for the copy trade, and keep sufficient equity, the initial equity that is required in your trading account. So now, what would be the fees? Okay. So my uh, fees would be like weekly profit split on Fridays. Okay, that would be in the ratio of 75 to 25. Say, suppose you made a profit of $100, then $75 will be yours and $25 would be my fees. Okay, 75% of the profit you achieve is yours and 25% would be mine. And this is only valid for this week, and later on for the from next week it would be 70 to 30, that 70% of the profit would be yours and 30% would be mine. After 14th of September, today is 7th, so after 14th of September this would be 70 to 30. And since I'm launching this new opportunity, that is why I am charging is 25%. From next week it would be 30%. Okay, and a one-time advance fee of 50 USDT is to be paid by you. You can consider it as setup cost, you can consider it as security, you can consider it as advance payment, whatever, but this is not refundable. Okay, because whatever profit that you will generate, you will be paying me next week, right? Right. For all my efforts, I'm just charging a very small amount. It is a non-refundable amount of 50 USD that should be paid in advance. So after considering all these factors, nothing is guaranteed, returns, do not expect more. If you are still interested and agree to all the conditions as discussed and mentioned above, if you are still interested, you can message me on Telegram, that is TPNTFX. Okay, the link is there in the video description also, or you can also email me at enjoywealthylife@gmail.com. But please do mention about the subject line about the copy trading video or whatever, so that I understand that you are talking about this particular uh, initiative. Otherwise, I have uploaded many EA videos in the past, so that should not be mixed up. So please be clear that what you are talking about, and I will be happy to provide you further information. But again, my request is to go through this video again in case if some query is unsolved, because I tried to solve many queries over here in this video itself. And for other information, please check the video description. Video description contains other important information that is required. And I think like I have covered almost 90% of the thing within the video description as well is in this video. But still, if anything is left, you are free to email me or at enjoywealthylife@gmail.com, or even you can contact me on Telegram at TPNTFX. Okay. So if any further information is needed, I would be happy to help. But please watch the video and read the description, video description, so you get enough of the information. And if anything is left, you can contact me for that, or to enroll. If you want to go ahead, you can message me for that. So guys, this is the video for today. So thank you very much, guys. And again, forex market is very risky. Please do your due diligence and assess your risk appetite before investing in forex market. Take care, stay safe, and stay happy with your family. Bye for the day.